Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets to give your spreadsheet a cleaner, more polished look for dashboards, reports, and presentations. Let's begin. First, open Google Sheets in your browser, all right, and load the spreadsheet you want to edit. Now, this works the same for new or existing sheets. At the top menu, click on View over here to access display related options for your sheets. Hover over or click on Show, this one, then find Grid Lines over here, all right? By default, this option is enabled. Now click on it, click Grid Lines to uncheck it automatically, and the grid lines will instantly disappear from the current sheet tab. As you can see, there are no longer grid lines appearing on this spreadsheet. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove grid lines on your Google Sheets for a cleaner layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.